If you're over 60 and you walk every day thinking you're doing the best thing for your health, you might actually be accelerating muscle loss. Yes, walking is good, but the way most people do it after 60 is quietly weakening their body. And the worst part, almost nobody talks about it. After the age of 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle. This process is called sarcopenia, and it can reduce your strength by 3 to 5% every year. That means simple things like standing up, climbing stairs, or even maintaining balance become harder over time. And here's where the problem begins. Most people rely only on walking to stay healthy. They think, I walk every day, so I'm fine. But walking alone is not enough to maintain muscle strength. In fact, if you walk incorrectly, you might be reinforcing weakness instead of preventing it. Mistake number 1, walking too slowly without engaging your muscles. A slow, passive walk doesn't challenge your body. Your muscles don't get stronger, they get lazy. Fix. Walk with intention. Slightly increase your pace and focus on pushing through your legs. Mistake number 2, poor posture while walking. If your shoulders are rounded and your head is forward, you're putting stress on your joints instead of activating muscles. Fix. Stand tall. Keep your chest open and your eyes forward. This alone can improve balance and strength. Mistake number 3, only walking, no strength work. Walking mainly uses endurance, not strength. And after 60, strength is what protects you from falls, injuries, and loss of independence. Fix. Add simple strength movements 2 to 3 times per week, chair squats, wall push-ups, and light resistance exercises. Here's a simple routine you can start today. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes with good posture, then do 10 chair squats, 10 wall push-ups, and a 20-second balance hold. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. It's simple but incredibly powerful. If you ignore this, muscle loss doesn't stop. It accelerates. And over time, it leads to weakness, instability, and loss of independence. But the good news is, your body can still rebuild strength even after 60. Start small, stay consistent, because the difference between staying strong and becoming fragile comes down to what you do daily. If this video helped you understand what's really happening to your body, make sure you stay with this channel, because what you don't know after 60 can cost you your strength.